Your key, here's what I do. I focus on each item's GROI percentage. And that's the way I source. It's very simple. If the GROI percentage isn't in my range, I'll skip it. I mean, I try to have a minimum profit of $8, but I really prefer the GROI calculation better because things that I teach you to buy sell so fast, and they're so fast to list, so simple to ship, so lightweight. I'll take even a $4 profit. I don't care. I'll list something on eBay. I'll buy it, take pictures, list it on eBay, and ship the thing and only make $4 because, as I'm going to show you, it is so easy to list and ship eBay items. It's not what you probably think it is. So I focus primarily most heavily on the GROI calculation that I'll show you in a minute. Now, some, especially Amazon resellers, you work with an item's ROI percentage. And as a rule of thumb, I don't do that. I just find that as helpful as the GROI percentages, and I think most of you know how to calculate an ROI, or return on investment, a percentage return on your money. You spend $15 and you make a $5 profit, and I think you can figure that return out. Most of you can here. I prefer the GROI. Let me describe it. It's the giant return on investment. That's all I want. I want a giant return on my money. I want a giant return from every Starbucks mug that I buy. Now, let me tell you about 2 Starbucks mugs that I bought last week. This isn't one of those $300 mugs that are tumblers or mugs or anything. These are cheap. I bought these things for $3.16, including sales tax. They will sell for $40 a piece. That's $80 for, that's an $80 total gross profit, or about $77 gross profit in less than a month. In less than a month, those 2 mugs will sell and bring me a gross profit of $80 minus $3.16, about $77. That's a GROI percentage, a giant return on my money of 2,431% and 31.65%. Now, you see why I don't like to mess with measly Amazon ROIs when I treasure hunt? I don't want an ROI of 33% or 100%. Or who wants a 200% return on their investment? I want a 2,000% return on my investment. So do you. I'm going to show you how to make it.